Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So in this video, we are going to know about how we can get a data analyst job from scratch. Considering that you are a fresher who just graduated or someone who is looking for a data analyst job from last 1-2 years. So you are welcome to watch this video because this video is totally for you. Also, if you're someone who has a gap year or who just want to switch to data analysis as a complete fresher, then this video will suit you. If you belong to this category, then you are welcome to watch this video. Otherwise, you can completely skip it because this is for a complete fresher. Okay. So let's talk about how we can get the skills and what are the skills that are needed to become a data analyst. So technically, there are only 3-4 skills that are actually required. First one is obviously you have to be really good at Excel. You will be doing a lot of Excel work during the data analysis, and it's just not the common things that we do in Excel, but you need to be really proficient in Excel, the advanced formulas and everything that you require to become a data analyst is there in Excel. So you have to become a proficient in Excel. The next thing is obviously you have to be really good at SQL. Most of the time that you will spend as a data analyst will be on SQL. SQL is the core of data analysis, and whoever calls the databases are dying or database will die, it will never ever happen in future. Databases will always stay, and there will be person who would be required to retrieve the data, delete the data, update the data in the databases. So databases are at most important when you are starting to become a data analyst, when you are thinking of becoming a data analyst. So this is another thing that you need. Then we have a visualization tool. A visualization tool is something that wherein you have to represent the data. You have the data, you have cleansed it, you have done the wrapping of the data, you have done a lot of things with the data, but now that you have to present. And there are specific tools for that, such as Power BI, Tableau, Adobe Analytics, Google Analytics, and the list is endless. So I would recommend you going through either Tableau or Power BI because these are most generic tools for data visualization, and they have a lot of visualization. They have a lot of things that you will get in these kind of tools rather than if you go for Adobe or Google. They have certain limitations over there, but Tableau or Power BI doesn't have that. So if you go with that, you are good to go. Okay, these three tools, technology, whatever you want to say, you have to learn these, and that is at most important. If you haven't gone through these, this is like very basic things that you need to start with, but this will not give you the data analyst job for sure, because there are many like you who have already learned those technologies, who have learned those tools, who have worked on these tools. So you have to be a little extra out of them. So how you can be that person? I'll tell you what you can do. Just go for any domain. You have to have a certain knowledge of domain. For me, it's the Salesforce that is making me different from those who thinks that data is their thing. But I have chosen Salesforce as the base to become a Salesforce data analyst. So you can do that too. And it's not required that you should choose Salesforce only. There are other tools as well. There are other technologies as well. You can go for SAP. You can become a SAP BI analyst. Then you can become a AWS associate, which also involves a lot of analysis. So you can go through these kind of things, but it's going to be your call which one you want to choose. For my recommendation, I would say go for the AWS. AWS is really great. Then there are other technologies as well that you can go through to become a data analyst in now you can go for these kind of technologies and you can completely learn those technologies. So choose really wisely. And even if you have learned the domain, you are just 60% away from becoming a data analyst. You have to go through a long way. Now the next part comes is how to apply or where to apply. So there are tools for that as well. LinkedIn or Naukri are my go-to at least, and a lot of you will say that, oh no, we don't get the jobs from there, but I think I have done enough research on LinkedIn and on Naukri as well, and I can completely say that these are really important for your job switch. These are the only things that are required in India at least for you to switch your jobs or for you to start your career. So you have to be really present on LinkedIn. You have to network with the people. You have to search certain people who are in the data industry. You have to network with them. So whenever an opening comes, they kind of post on their LinkedIn profile that they are hiring a data analyst. Majorly the recruitment section. You have to follow the recruiters who are hiring for data analyst role. If you have done that, fine. Okay. Next step is obviously applying for many jobs that are very new. not the ones that are already 30 plus days old, because no, recruiter won't need to reach out, but the newer ones will always reach out to you. So this is another thing that you have to go through. Okay. Next thing is, when you're a fresher, you can always go for unpaid internships. There are many, trust me. You have to search on Naukri, LinkedIn is filled with these, and there are companies that specifically hires. So if you want a list of companies, I can provide you with that, but there are hundreds and hundreds of companies. You have to go to their career portal and search for the internship in the data analysis, and sometimes it's paid, but most of the times it isn't. But you will have what we say, an experience, and after 1 year of experience, you will be eligible to apply for a lot of data analyst job that you're craving for. So this is how you can go through. I'm sure I have covered everything that I have wanted to tell you in this video. But if you still have any query, suggestion or doubt, you can write in the comment section below. I would highly appreciate your time in writing such comments. So yeah, I hope you follow these things and you get the job. You get your dream job at least. So yeah, bye bye for now until we meet next time. Take care.